you. Nick, I don't think you're supposed to eat that. Hey, Adam hasn't moved for a little while.
You're right. What's he doing?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Did he not tell you what he's going out there for?
No, he's just kind of like standing there. Like, what do you think he's doing?
I don't know.
I'm
Maybe he's spying on my neighbors.
I mean, maybe this. Golly, what's he doing out there? Do you want to go check on him?
Maybe.
Should we?
Yeah, let me just wash this down with something.
Okay, alright. Let's go. Why'd you do that? What is he doing?
I don't know. Adam?
I mean, I don't know why he's not.
Yeah, I don't know why he's moving though.
Listen.
Oh, I bet he's looking at that piece of grass over there.
Dude, that's a big piece of grass. I mean, I guess try hugging him, see if there's anything. I mean, maybe pick him up or something, I don't know. Just pick him up. Like,
should I grab his butt?
I know. Just pick him up.
Holy crap!
What is he doing?
Oh, he blinked. Dang. He's focused. I don't know what to do anymore.
Nothing.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
You'll see. Yeah.
Oof, dirty underwear. Yeah! Are you sure your mom doesn't want this lettuce? I mean, it looks like it's pretty good quality.
Oh, gotta sell it.
Sure.
I gotta listen to that.
Oh, right. Oh! One piece of wood.
Hey, I got some pizza. It's not delivery, it's to wake up, Adam.
Aha! Got you.
It didn't work though.
No, he's not still not working up.
Shoot.
Get something else.
Oh. Same tube of paint.
Same
Again,
tube
yeah.
of paint. Did you go and get it? I'm gonna.
I dare you to squirt it.
Oh, I won't. No, it's.
Matter. You know what really burns my butt?
What?
at him because he won't move.
What are you gonna do, dude? We've thrown everything at him. Nick! What are you doing?
He's got him.
No, Nick! What are you doing? Nick!
I bet he
Nick,
moves if I do
let's
that.
think about this for a second.
He's gonna
Let's
move. He's
think
gonna
about
move.
this for a second. We don't want to do that. Nick, stop. Quit it.
He'll move.
Quit it. Nick, let's think about this for a second. Let's think about this for a second.
God,
This is-
joke's over. You guys are ridiculous. There's such a thing as too far.
So was he bird watching?
I don't know. What a loser.